Now it's recording.
Great. Oh, it's a little bruise. You're fine.
Yeah.
Little blood blister.
Hurt a lot more than it looks.
Yeah, just I know. Some dude capped me in the ass, the 50 foot, about 15 feet.
Hey, you come with us. See that building right there? We're gonna rush the shit out of it. We did it before and we made it and we fucked the shit out of it. You can get there. I'm taking this off. Well, yeah, we gotta make it first.
Yeah,
And I mean, all it does is make it a little bit.
This
As long
thing.
as you run fast, you don't trip like a dumbass.
What did you do to it to make it shoot so far?
Huh?
How'd you make it shoot so far? I don't get it.
Shut up!
Good question.
I shot it earlier.
I don't know how. All these snipers. They're not real snipers, so they can't go that far. I can only go so fast. Go, go.
Let's just hold here and don't shoot for a little bit.
Now, can you? I have to shoot.
Got Ethan.
Bouncing. Ow.
You hit?
Ricochet. I caught the corner. Got one.
Got two. Call your bitch shit lord. Fucking shoot the guys on the sawmill. Shoot them.
I am.
I hit them and they're not calling it.
3 down. Watch this window, someone.
Right here. He's moving to our left. In the woods.
Kill him.
Steven, they're in the woods. They don't sound very happy.
Well, so get rid of the
They
pistol.
like us very much.
No.
Ricochet on my foot. The funny thing is with this, you could just if this was over
Hey,
the
watch
top,
this door.
I would just
You're
kind
CQB, right? Watch the fuck out of this door. You're CQB now. Watch the fucking door.
If you see anything move,
This
put it.
is technically not CQB.
What about your rifle?
Technically,
About your rifle.
Just use it.
it's a pistol, but technically it's a sniper.
Yeah.
It shoots around 500.
Just shoot him.
I'm just gonna sit here.
If you see anyone come through that doorway, spray
I
him.
might shoot him
Right in the winery, right in front of us. He's at the window. I'll get him. Watch behind us, Connor. Watch the door.
Oop, I see one.
Get the door.
Someone pop purple smoke.
Why do you get cord smoke? It's just right. It works perfectly.
I hear movement.
Move your gun really quick.
I hear movement.
Yeah, that might be tall enough to get in there. Crack right there.
Don't try it.
Holy shit!
Where's that?
Goalie right here at the window, left side of it.
That's
You see him?
No.
Whoa! You just hear that shit. Yeah, as soon as they start.
Hi, enemy! How's your day going? You doing good? I don't think he's having a good day.
Don't piss him off anymore, Cody.
You peeked out. He's not there anymore.
Can be problematic.
Oh my god, these are so blurry. Should really get some.
Holy Jesus.
Oh my god. My brother got so hot down so my hands are.
We killed quite a few of them in the woods.
Oh yeah, I picked at least 4 off the side of.
I got 3.
No, make that one. Get another one. Damn, no.
What?
What's going on?
You got the flag, I think.
Who?
Waited.
We got the flag.
Oh, it! Ooh,
Where'd you
barely
get-
missed my mask.
Where'd you get that one
You
from?
hit?
Don't tell us actually.
Pretty sure it came from the woods. Unless it was this fucker here.
That'd be a hard cat.
Yeah, he's still there.
Dead man walking, dead man walking.
He's still there. He's still there.
I'm concerned about this doorway, dude. You watch that, I'll watch this one.
I'm on my last man. I'm just seeing him.
I have the speed load in the bottle to bring it. What was that? Goodbye. Whoa! I'm getting friendly fire.
Yell friendly.
Don't get us. Hey, friendlies, don't shoot us!
Blue band, don't shoot! Yeah!
Us, yes, me!
That's us! They're in the house behind us!
Keep your head down.
They're in the house behind us! They're in the building this way! Miles!
Keep your head down.
They're in the 2-story!
Yeah.
We're enemy. Blue bands.
Oh, I thought you were in the fucking shit.
No, I am a Russian, but I'm not on your side.
Alright, I'll get you.
Oh, great. Now they know we're here.
Good try, man.
They're bouncing into this window here. Oh, door here.
He's doing the window across with us.
Yeah. Who was that?
P-Star.
That's a piece of.
The guy I killed was the guy in M81.
This doorway's concerning me.
It's cold on the fucking...
Yep.
Got him, dead.
Is that P-Star?
No, it was the other little kid.
Okay. Oh,
I'm feeding every other shot.
I got a head I can see. Cover this door, would you? I'm gonna shoot someone. Got him.
Nice. Can you get back to watching the door?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. No looking flag. We on it.
Do we?
Got the thing on us.
Oh, hey. Hold. Cover the door. Cover the door. Never mind. Wait. Might have a shot on Steven, I think. Nope, lost it. Never mind.
Watch out, them fuckers are coming back for us.
Oh, actually, never mind. Take it back.
You said you was coming
A lot of
back.
guys I can shoot.
You want to shoot Preacher?
Got one.
Yeah, that's Preacher. Good shot.
Check. Bye.
Hi! Love ya! Oh shit. Let's see if
Wait, no one's covered.
They're shooting from this angle.
Yep. I'm concerned with this door, though. I think we got someone in the woods on us.
Oh, you're hitting him, shit.
He's walking on us. Or someone is.
Got him.
We got guys walking through the
They're
woods.
both dead. Hit!
Oh,
Good shot.
damn it.
Love you, Ethan.
Hurry back, please. Sorry.
Hit. Fuck yeah.
Clear. Well, at least I think it's clear. Nope, still there. Hey, Brett. There's a guy behind that blue car right there. I can't reach him. Blue car? Yeah, you see his leg? You can see it's his Apex code. He's done that, really? Got him. Yeah. Still there. Under the car. Hey, blue car. He's underneath it. He's still inside? There's one inside that house, yeah. No, inside here. Oh, no. Should be. He's under the car. Sorry.
Didn't hit you?
Nope.
Yeah.
One next to me.
Got him. Inside the house. Again. There's one inside. Whoa!
Peekaboo.
Good one. He's inside. He's still inside. Anyone got a grenade? He is? That you guys watching I think he did the corner.
Ow. Fuck. Ah.
Yeah. By the way, you have to look down your sights when you shoot.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I could clearly see you, buddy.
Just got you.